Let's do something today that I haven't done in quite a while. Meatloaf. Made the SpillitBoy TV way, of course. Listen, are you hungry? I'm going to show you how I do it. All right. Listen, are you hungry? Let me tell you what you're looking at here. I have 2 1/4 pounds of ground beef, lean, 12 Ritz crackers. There's 3 eggs in here. I put a splash of thyme, a splash of rosemary, a bit of black pepper, a little shake of garlic. All right. And a bit of seasoning salt. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add some bell pepper and some onions to this. I'm going to mix this up, baby. We're making meatloaf. Meatloaf, SpillitBoy TV style. Listen, are you hungry? I use Ritz crackers instead of breadcrumbs. Get to that. Just keep watching. Keep on watching. All right, as you can see, I've added my bell peppers and my onions. Now I'm getting ready to mix this together. And then voila, we get ready to have some meatloaf. All right, you guys. Like I said, mix everything up. Now, when I mixed it all up, then I go back through and I hit it with some Worcestershire sauce. I think that's how you say it. You all know what I'm talking about. I hit it with a few splashes of that, and then I go ahead and mix that in. I wait until after the first time that I mixed it. I put that actually in because I want everything else to marry itself, and then we just hit it with that at the end. Now, notice with these vegetables, this is up to you. You could cut your vegetables up as fine as you like, or you can leave them like I do. I cut them for my meatloaf. I want more robust and more of a hearty meatloaf, so I keep my vegetables larger, but that's absolutely up to you. You can do it however you choose to do it, because the flavor is going to still be there. It's going to be what it is. Okay? Are you hungry? Listen, I've preheated my oven at 350. I'm getting ready to throw this up into my Corningware, and I'm ready to throw this up in this oven. All right. Baby, here we go. Listen, I could not even begin to tell you how much I love my Corningware. I love it. I love Corningware. I really do. I really do. But you shape your little meatloaf how you choose to shape your meatloaf. And listen, I'm ready to throw this sucker up in this oven and get ready. Are y'all hungry? All right, guys, here we go. This is it. This is my meatloaf. It is done and turned out perfectly. Are you hungry? Yes, indeed. 350 degrees for 1 hour in the oven. And then I just sliced it on down. I don't actually do a glaze or gravy most times. I mean, that's actually up to you. But this is it. This is the whole SpillitBoy TV meatloaf. Now, you can actually throw your own spin to it as far as your glaze or your gravy or however you want to do it. I literally eat it just like this. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all next time. Hey, like I always say, are you hungry? See you guys next time. Bye-bye.